how's it going? Welcome to Brightbox. In this episode, I'm going to be taking you all to Dubai. Of course, virtually. 3 months before, I had visited Dubai through Race Travels. And today, I'm going to share you my experiences at the time when I was in Dubai. And luckily, I had also filmed some clips there, so I can show you those clips and those pics as well. So let's get started. When we reached Dubai airport, it wasn't much different from Mumbai airport. But when we stepped out of the airport, oh my goodness, the greenery, the cleanliness, it was so brilliantly maintained that my eyes could feast on it for so long. When we reached our room, there was one massive room. It had a kitchen, it had 2 bathrooms, it had a hall and a big bedroom. And I took clips and I'm going to show you right now. Let's see them. Day 1, our first destination was Global Village. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Shlok. Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Dubai, if you can see. So this is Dubai. We just reached here and in an hour or so we might be going to Global Village. But till the time while Global Village is a huge place and it's made out of sections of countries and continents. You can go visit any section you want and do loads of shopping in there. And my favorite section over there was Africa section. You might have noticed that I wear this ring in my each video. I wear this ring every day. It's a cute black ring and it has a groove on it, if you can see it. Yep. And I wear this ring every day. It's my lucky ring. I got it from the Global Village, Africa section of course. And fun fact, did you know that this ring is made out of pure titanium, world's strongest metal? I also got this little vial of lavender perfume and it smells so good. Come have a sniff. Smells good, right? Yeah. I got this as well from the Africa section of Global Village. And now I'm going to show you some pics of the Africa section as well as the other sections from the Global Village. Day 2, Palm Jumeirah, National Museum and Burj Khalifa. Now if you don't know Palm Jumeirah, you might recognize it when I show you the aerial picture of Palm Jumeirah. It looks like this. You recognized it? Yes, that is Palm Jumeirah. I even have a photo of myself and behind me is the Atlantis Hotel. The Atlantis Hotel was shown in the movie Happy New Year and that was the first time when I saw it. But when I went to Dubai, it was when I first time saw it in reality. Next stop, the National Museum. The National Museum has the history of the wandering travelers who inhabited the nation UAE, lived there and then turned this nation into a beautiful country. The last stop for the day was Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Well, the entrance to the Burj Khalifa for visitors like us was only through the Dubai Mall. And while entering to the Dubai Mall was a huge aquarium and the aquarium was spectacular. And after that, when we went to the Burj Khalifa, it had the fastest lift in the world. The lift was pretty amazing as well. It was an entire black lift and when you entered the lift, there was a sort of projector which projected the images of you getting launched into space and that filled the entire lift and it actually felt like you are getting launched to space and that was absolutely amazing. When we reached on the highest floor, the 124th floor for us visitors, the view, it was so amazing. We could literally see the whole city and it was spectacular. The next day, we had gone to a flower garden and everything over there was just made of those beautiful and colorful flowers. And believe me, that was such a brilliant and a beautiful place. I'll show you some pics as well. The next day, we did the desert safari. I was so psyched. I wanted to do the desert safari. We sat in the fastest jeep that was there. And literally we were bumping and bouncing on the sand and believe me, it was absolutely amazing. You should try it too. And here's a clip. After the desert safari, we stopped at a camp in the desert, and there we had many shows, and there we ate dinner and we came back to our resort. The last day we had gone to Abu Dhabi Warner Brothers studio. The studio was absolutely amazing. Over there was a Tom and Jerry ride, and it was supposed to be family friendly. Family friendly as written on the board there. And so I went there. I'm not a big fan of roller coasters. I'm just scared. So when we went there, I was just scared, and so I just asked a volunteer before sitting in the coach, that is this ride going to be fast? And he said that it's going to be very, very fast. And from that moment, I was extremely afraid, and believe it or not, that ride was so fast, full of twists and turns, and it goes around. It goes like a circle, it goes in a loop. And that was the most terrific thing that ever happened to me in Abu Dhabi, in the Warner Brothers studio. After the Warner Brothers studio, we went to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Believe me, everything was so beautiful and elegant. We saw many chandeliers which were made of pure gold and studded with gems. This whole trip of Dubai was such a fantastic one. Thanks to Sheetal Samant Kulkarni and her race travels. I'm sharing her number in the description below, and once again, thank you so much. Well, that was my time in Dubai, and hope you guys liked my video. Do like and subscribe and comment down any topic you want me to speak on. Bye bye.